Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to log in to Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first click on this login button from the corner. First, fill in your username or email address here, then your password. Check that I'm not a robot and click on this login button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is how to log in to your MailChimp account. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.